Hello, Angela from Acad AI here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Acad AI account as a teacher. To begin, go to the Acad AI website and click on Get Started. Next, you select the role, the teacher role, and click on Continue. Afterwards, you input the name of your school, in this case, Covenant University, then click Continue. After that, you tell us how you heard about us, whether it was from social media, through a web search, or a workshop. Then click Continue. Next, you select your title. That is how you prefer the Acad AI team and your students to address you while using Acad AI. After that, you input a course that you teach. You will be able to add more courses later after setting up your exam, but for now, you input a single course that you teach. In my case, operations research, and I will also include the course code. When I'm done, I click done. Now you enter your name, email, and password. The reason we collect this information is to enable you securely access your account and to also make you easily identifiable to your students. So once that's imputed, you would receive a 6-digit code from Acad AI to verify your email. So now I'm just going to input the code I received here. There, my email has been verified. Once your email is verified, you can now log into your account and start creating AI-powered exams with Acad AI.